Then Ramchandra told that the best of the servant is he who accomplishes more than what the master asks him to do. Then the mediocre one is just accomplishes what the master asks him to do and nothing more than that. And the worst one is, although he has the ability to execute that service, he doesn't do that. So these are the three kinds of servants. So please consider what kind of servant you want to become. Like naturally, everyone wants to, or everyone should become the best of the servants. There are three kinds of men in this world. The first class one is, before embarking into a mission, he consults with the superiors and experts about how to approach. The second class one thinks over a matter himself according to his own intelligence and then acts accordingly. The first class one is consults with the superiors and those who are experts in those fields. Takes advice from superior and friends and the experts. And the second class one is those who simply depend upon their own intelligence. And the third class is one who acts whimsically. So in Ramayana we are getting, actually in the scriptures, we get these advices in this way, how to act. So, isn't it a very important thing to learn? Before we embark into some project, what should we do? Rely on our own intelligence? Should we just plunge into it without considering the consequences? Or sit down with others, especially those who are experts and those who are superior in knowledge, consult with them, take their advice, and then decide. And there are three kinds of advice also. The first class advice comes after an objective study of the problem and which is in agreement with religious principles. Mind you, Ravan speaking about religious principles. Yes, religious principles means the religious principles that have been described in the scriptures. But what is the difference between Ravan's religious principles and actual religious principle? The actual religious principle is do things in accordance to Krishna's approval and Krishna's pleasure. That is the real religion. Therefore, we can go back. Sarva dharman parityajya. There are people, those who are following dharma, like Ravan is following dharma, religious principles. But the problem is that he is not accepting Krishna. On the other hand, when one accepts Krishna, then that is the ultimate religion. And then all other considerations can become secondary. Then the second type of advice is after a heated discussion of the problem and self-interest. That is what we often see most of the time in different meetings. Heated discussions, and ultimately what prevails? The personal interest. And the third class is out of false pride and flattery. Ram said that if anyone surrenders unto me, even with a dubious intention, but if he just says, I am surrendering unto you, I accept him. I have to accept him. And I will give him all protection. And he said that even if Ravan comes and surrenders unto me, I will give him all protection. So that is how the Supreme Personality of Godhead is. So isn't this such a wonderful assurance? That anyone who surrenders unto Him, the Lord says that He'll give him all protection, even if it is pretending to be surrendering.